is your stunning hero image turning into a design disaster on smaller screens? In this tutorial, we'll fix that hero image scaling nightmare in Webflow, ensuring it looks fantastic everywhere. First step, select your hero image or the container holding it. We need to tackle its sizing for the core sizing. Ensure the unit is set to a percentage, like 100%, so it scales with its parent container. Now, for responsiveness on your desktop view, set the width and height to control how it initially appears, but here's the crucial part: we'll adjust this for tablets and mobile. Switch to your tablet breakpoint here. You might need to tweak the dimensions again often. Reducing the height percentage is key to prevent it from becoming too dominant on smaller screens and pushing content down excessively. You can also experiment with setting the height to auto if you want the image's aspect ratio to be maintained by its width, rather than a fixed height. Now, let's go to the mobile breakpoint. You'll likely want to further refine the height here for mobile. A shorter, more compact hero image often works best. If your image is still looking a bit off, you might need to adjust its position. Select the image element itself and go to its spacing. Settings, padding, and margins can create breathing room. Another common issue is the image's overflow if your image is within a container. Check the overflow setting on the container. Setting this to hidden will clip any part of the image that extends beyond the container's boundaries, keeping your layout clean. Finally, always preview your work. Cycle through all the breakpoints using Webflow's preview mode to ensure your hero image is perfectly scaled and displayed on desktops, tablets, and mobile alike.